keep this one, you know, in the back of your mind next time you have an event. Hi MalPals and NewPals, and happy 5-Minute Friday, where I talk about 5 products for 5 minutes, except today I'm showing you 5 quick updos for shorter hair. You can still do all of these with longer hair. Just make your own adjustments and figure it out and you'll be good to go. You can do these too, but these are my top 5 go-to anytime I need to look formal or just want to not wash my hair and put it up. So today I am starting out on 1-day-old hair. I went ahead and applied some texturizing spray before I did all of these. Hope you enjoy. Roll the tape. So for this first updo, it's really simple. I love this because I have fairly short hair and very fine hair. It's a low chic kind of bun to kind of trick like you look like you have more hair in the bun than you do. And what I like to do is grab a clear elastic and I like to wrap it around the bun about 3 times and then pull the ends to the sides, pull it taut. And then what I like to do is have 4 points of contact. You might need more if you have more hair, but 4 points of contact. And I really like to use these smaller bobby pins that I get from Sally Beauty, just because I have less hair and I feel like it grips the finer hairs better. Final product, you have a very nice full looking bun, even though you might not have a full amount of hair. Now next is an updo with 2 buns. So basically, if you're looking for more of an updo looking type of bun, you know, you don't necessarily want just a low chignon or something, just get yourself 2 of these. So put your hair in 2 low buns, and this is very important how you put the bobby pins in to secure it. So go ahead, have your 2 buns, wrap your elastics around as many times as you need to make them feel secure. Secure the bobby pins to the side, the left and the right of the bun first, of both buns, and then the top of both buns. And then what you want to do is, once you've done that, go ahead and secure the very center of both of the buns together with 1 to 2 bobby pins, depending on how much you need. And then at the bottom, finish off and secure both buns to kind of bring it down lower. Super easy, looks like an updo with a lot of hair, but girl, we got 3 and they're up and they look like a lot more. So keep this one, you know, in the back of your mind next time you have an event. For this third updo, this is more of like a romantic twisty vibe. I like to take the top section of my bangs. You want to section them into 2 sections and just start twisting. And as you're twisting, pick up a section every time you twist and continue this until you get to the back of your head. It's kind of like a French braid. And then move on to the section lower. Do the exact same thing until I get to the back of my head, and go ahead and secure that with a bobby pin. Move to the other side of my head, do the exact same thing. And as I go along, I like to loosen up the twists just to make them look like a little more volumized and have a little more body. And then once I get to the back, you can see there's a little bit left here. I like to section those 2 and twist them around each other. I have very minimal hair, so I just kind of roll it up, twist them over each other and secure them. After I am finished, I like to kind of pull out any pretty front pieces and then actually take a powder brush and go over all around my baby hairs, just kind of loosen them, make it look a little more romantic and kind of windswept. You don't have to know how to braid. So for the 4th updo, honestly, you barely have to have any kind of hair knowledge. You just need some hair in your hands and go to town, you know? This is what it is. So you're gonna grab the first side of your hair, your head, okay? You can part in the middle too. I meant the side. You can part in the side. My hair is parted in the middle. Just grab your hair, start twisting and twisting. Keep twisting. There's no picking up any new hair. It's just literally the whole side of your head until you get a little past the back of your head. Then you want to secure that back part with bobby pins. Now this, since I don't have finer sections, I like to use larger bobby pins for this to secure, since we are securing basically the whole side section of hair. Honestly, have no loose ends with this and make it look super chic and clean, or you can pull out some loose ends and make it a little more romantic. It's really up to you. It looks great either way, and it's really, really, really simple and quick. And last but not least is an extreme go-to for me. This is a Dutch braid kind of milkmaid situation where it connects in the back. And there's a trick to this, okay? If you want to know how to Dutch braid short hair, I have an extensive tutorial. This is just gonna be a quick go through rundown of this and how to connect it in the back. I will link that video below. I go ahead and Dutch braid each side, secure it with my clear elastics, and then what I do is I take one side and I bring it to the back of my head, and I go ahead and fold that little braid kind of in half, and then I will take a larger bobby pin and secure that to the back of my head. And then I take the other side and I bring it to that other braid, fold it in half, and pin it just like that to where it kind of looks like they connect, but it still looks like an updo. And then, you know, you can loosen some pieces and fatten up the braids as you go along if you have finer hair like I do. This updo is kind of tricky for me because I have more hair on one side of my head than I do the other. Shocker. But I really like doing this because it takes me like, I don't know, 3 minutes to do if I'm just doing it as a quick real life situation. That is it for this 5-minute Friday. I hope you guys enjoyed these 5 quick hair tutorials. Let me know if you're gonna try any below, and don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn on all your notifications, and follow me on Instagram and everywhere else on social media at I'm Mallory Brooke, because that's who I am. That's my name. Happy weekend. Goodbye.
All right.
Thank you.